is going on, everybody? I'm a little bit late to my charts today. We were going out for a meal. My best mate's family had just arrived from England, coming to Vietnam, so we just went out for a meal with them. So a little bit rushed getting onto the markets today. Just charted up everything. We're kind of in low resistance against low resistance conditions right now. Holding this Civi BPR up here, and just tapped into this 30-minute right here. We have these draws down here. We've got a buy side imbalance BPR, red to equal lows, intermediate term low, and previous day low down here. ES has actually swept this low here, whereas Nasdaq hasn't. No, not quite yet actually. I'm going to add an alert on that low. Because this is definitely a draw for today. But yes, I will keep my eye on ES for that. But we have tapped into this, so like I'm not even joking. I could see a potential short straight off open if we close below this candle here. We've tapped in this BPR now. We've also swept a 15-minute intermediate term high. So this was a 15-minute intermediate term high. Meaning this is now high resistance liquidity up here. So I could see a potential short straight down to this low. If we manage to get that, that would be quite nice off open. Or maybe if we invert off this one and don't, like if we go below this low, then we take this inversion down, but we'd have to probably go for a fixed risk here. So market is opening in 5 seconds. It is FOMC today, so definitely could be in just chop. But we shall wait and see what happens. Okay, so we've re-swept it here, so this is for sure high resistance. There's a little 15-second on here. Just gonna run this. Worried we're just gonna run this here. Okay, so ES did just sweep this low that we're targeting. We didn't invert that gap there. So we do have an SMT here. With this low, we have a 30-second as well, but we're targeting high resistance. So if we don't sweep this low, you know, we could potentially take this short still, but we do, so. Could still take this potentially. God. Swept this low as well. This isn't worth it now. For me. Unless we got a little limit order entry. Like there. And we would be out at, so this is 862. Okay, we might just get cooked on this straight away. out there. So we just lost $415 on that. We might actually get this in the opposite direction. Yeah. Bro, really just gonna fucking pump this shit. Is that equal highs created there? It is. It's getting fucking done, innit? Damn. Definitely feeling a bit rushed on today. Need to slow down a minute. Just regather. If we get this 5 minute, which we're about to get here, we could seek this low resistance up here after the SMT, as long as we close above this. Could definitely take this. That's closable. So we're in there as well. Targeting this high up here. Might take want to use this 1 minute here. To flip in the opposite direction. If we don't, yeah, it looks like we're gonna get cooked again, bro. Damn, bro. We just got ruined. But I've just built, bro, this is my problem. This is my problem, like, I build the account up. So I built the account up to like, just over $1,000 in profit. And I take 2 shots. And these were like both obviously bad shots. One of them, the first one, obviously we took after we knew this SMT was induced and we swept the low. We're just chasing, it's kind of like a FOMO entry. And got cooked on that. And then the second one, this one's not bad. I mean, it was just again like you're rushing it. 5 minute inversion on this leg here. Like this definitely could play out still. The professional stop has got to be down here. but we're just playing below the 5 minute fair value gap inversion. And so, you know, this one could still play out here. I have fucked that a little bit. It's really frustrating. But we are currently down $821 on the day. So basically just all of these days that I've been working on this account have gone. And they want, looks like Nasdaq wants this intermediate term low down here. Should have known this on FOMC though. But I rushed this so bad. Alright, this is what it is. I'm gonna hop off here, lock out of the account. And 2 losses on the day. I can show you total P&L. We lost $8 to $20. And then executions. Let's get these back on. So we had that 5 minute loss there. And then we had this 1 minute loss just here. Just clean up the chart so I can show these. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna end this here. Wait, no, I was showing my executions, wasn't I? Okay, so there's my executions, and from this day, what we can take away from it is trading on a rushed emotions, coming back to the house fast from a meal out, finished the meal early, and just got into the routine. Didn't get into the routine. Didn't mark up in my own time. Rushed things. Made quick irrational decisions. So this trade here, I'm not in the mindset of being able to take more discretionary trades. I need to be in the zone for that, and here I wasn't, and I took this against knowing that we had an S&T over ES. I still took this, and also we swept this. Like when we sweep out the internal low, I never like to take the trade unless I've got so much conviction that we're going there. And on a day like where FOMC is happening, you never know what's going to happen. So obviously got cooked on this short initially, and then flipped the bias from the S&T, targeting the low resistance, forgetting that these highs here are actually high resistance, because we swept an intermediate time high on the 15 minute, and then we reswept that resweep. So this high up here is also a very high resistant high, despite the low resistance buy side above. And stop was aggressive on the 5 minute as well. So this is something, you learn from. There's days like, where this is going to happen. You build the account up. Essentially I've had on this account, I believe 3 winning days in a row, and I've basically thrown 75% of it away in a single day, which is frustrating. It's annoying, but it is what it is. We haven't lost the account, we haven't breached the account, we still got it. We're still in, we're just $800 tighter to our end of day trade and drawdown. Which it is what it is. But we're locked out now, so I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.